Hello, good day my fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again and welcome back to another edition of Funko Pop Unboxing. And today I'm going to share with you from the Star Wars movie line, and the figure that I'm going to share with you is Luke Skywalker and Yoda. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here you can see the iconic signature window display box of the Funko. Then you can see the logo of Star Wars, the Pop logo 363. This is the 40th anniversary of the Empire Strikes Back. Here you can see the 2D promo photo of the item. You can see the name of Luke Skywalker and Yoda. On the other side, Luke Skywalker and Yoda. The back, the other pop that are included in the series. On the other side, the whole body of the pop. Here you can also see the background. That is a stars. Then top and bottom. So for a quick and fast unboxing, let's do the snap. Ta-da! Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. Wow guys, the figure is so nice. You can also see here the iconic signature design of the pop, the big head and the big round eyes. Okay guys, look, it's so nice. I remember this scene in the movie. This scene is the scene where Yoda is training Luke to become a Jedi. Look guys, so nice, well detailed. I like the hair. I like the detail, the paint. Look at the sculpt of the body, it's so nice. Look at Yoda. Luke Skywalker is carrying Yoda at the back, at his back with the backpack. You can see the strap of the backpack. So nice. Look at the detail of the face, the skin tone. So nice guys. Look at the sculpt, the pants and the shoes. It's well made. Nice guys, see? What I like about this pop is the stand. Most of the Star Wars stand are just black. This one has a design, perfectly made. Green and brown. This is the soil, I think. So nice. You can see some greens there. And it is a bobblehead. It's Star Wars. That's why it's bobblehead. So nice guys, see? Yoda is holding the back of Luke Skywalker. Well made, well detailed. I like it. It's a great addition to my collection. So I guess that's it guys. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest in unboxing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.